Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of 20 lesson, synthesis of sentences. Okay, it is our lesson name, and in this lesson, we are going to learn the further point of that topic. Okay, look here. The first sentence, our first question is here. Synthesis the following sentences. Synthesis the following sentences to form is prepare to form a single simple sentence. There are two different sentences. We have to combine two sentences into one sentence. That means we have to form a single simple sentence. Okay, look here. The first sentence is here. He wished to go to the opposite grocery. Full stop. He crossed the road with difficulty. Okay, these are two sentences. We have to form a single sentence, a single simple sentence. Okay, the first sentence is here. He wished to go to the opposite grocery, and second sentence is he crossed the road with difficulty. We have to merge two sentences into a simple single sentence. Okay, look here. For example, we can write this. Okay, in this way. He crossed the road with difficulty. Okay. He crossed the road. He crossed the road with difficulty to go the opposite grocery. Okay. We remove this part. He wish. Okay. Because the subject is same. Subject is same. So we remove this part to make a simple sentence. Okay. And we use this next part to go to the opposite grocery as it is. Are you getting that? To make a simple sentence, we use the subject from the first sentence. According to sentence meaning, we use here the remaining part, okay, as a making a simple sentence. Are you getting that? He crossed the road with difficulty to go to opposite grocery. It is one simple sentence according to our questions. Okay. Now the second sentence is here. Okay. They brought in the dog. Full stop. Okay. It is one sentence. And next one. They wanted to search for the narcotics. Narcotics is a one search department. Okay. Like intelligence bureau. It is one narcotics department. Okay, they brought in the dog. Okay, that means they bring a dog. Are you getting that? It is one phrase. Okay, now they brought in the dog. They wanted to search for the narcotics, and their answer will be, it will be like this. They brought in the dog. They brought in the dog to search for the narcotics. We use here infinitive. Okay, here also we use to go. Are you getting that? To plus verb. Okay, in second sentence, to search for the narcotics. To search for the narcotics. We remove that subject part. Are you getting that? आपण या वाक्यातील जो कर्ता आहे तो वगळलेला आहे. इकडे पण ते आहे, इकडे पण ते आहे. We use here only one time subjects and we use infinitive form. Are you getting that? To plus verb first form, that is called infinitive. Okay. They brought in the dog to search for the narcotics. Are you getting that? The same things we do here. We use here infinitives and we remove the first subjects. Okay. I think you get the whole question related with this answer. Okay. Now the third one is here. The scent of Dactyls is very strong. I am feeling giddy. Okay. In this example, scent and scent both are two words. Scent means scent. It is the form of scent. पाठवणे. Okay. And this scent means sugandha. This scent means smell. Are you getting that? Smell. Scent means smell. Scent means scent. Okay, these are the two words. I write this word. Okay, scent means smell, and this scent means scent. Are you getting that? Scent and scent. Scent means smell, scent means scent. Okay, the scent of daffodils, it is one flower. Okay, are you getting that? It is one flower. It is one flower name. Okay, the scent of that daffodils is very strong. I am feeling giddy. Okay, this is the second sentence, and we have to form a simple single sentence. So the scent of daffodils or daffodils is strong. Okay, is strong enough to make me feel giddy. Okay, we use here also to make me feel giddy. Okay, according to sentence meaning we use here this form. Okay, infinitive here we also use to make me feel giddy. Okay, are you getting that? Scent means smell, daffodils means flower. It's name of flower. Okay, now the fourth sentence is here. Yoga helps you regain your breath. Okay, yoga helps you regain your breath. Full stop. It helps you gain your composure. Do you getting that? Compose means it is a mind relaxation situation. Mind relaxation situation, that means man shanti. Okay, you can gain your mind peacefulness. Okay, mana shanti you get through the yoga, with the help of that yoga. Okay, we can form a simple single sentence. Look here, yoga helps you regain your breath. Are you getting that? Yoga helps you regain your breath along with your composure. Along with your composure, we use here along with. Okay, are you getting that? To make a simple sentence, to form a simple or single sentence. Okay, now the fifth sentence is here. Rihanna has got a new tattoo. Okay, on her feet. Rihanna has got a new tattoo on her feet. Okay, it was painful procedure. Okay, if you look here, the word pronunciation is procedure. P-R-O-C-E-D-U-R-E. It is called procedure. Okay, like psychology, the same words we use here. Some words are silent here, and we pronounce it procedure. Okay, look here. Now the answer of that question, Rihanna has got a new tattoo on her feet through a painful. Look here, we use here through. Okay, according to sentence meaning we can use some changes, or we can change some words. Okay, to make a simple sentence through a painful procedures. Okay, in this way you can convert any sentence, any compound sentence or two sentences into a simple sentence, into a one single sentences. Okay, I hope you get all things related with this topic, related with this question. The remaining part of these questions we will see in next video. Okay.